This is the elevator at the ESU Monroe Hall, East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler HT non-vandal resistant. It's going to be I believe this was installed in 2012 when this building was converted into a classroom facility. We can go to 3. Now wait until you hear this motor. Here we are at 3. I'm gonna go back to B if no one's here. There's the 3rd floor lobby. Now watch this. You can sort of see through the doors. Here are B. I'll send it up to 3 so you can hear the machine. It's really red. It's right there. There's a building directory. Okay, let's call it back down. There's a look at the Schindler sign. The ones in Hawthorne, which is my building, and Hemlock Suites have the vandal resistant fixtures. We'll end it up 1. There's the time and date. There are your fixtures, HT non-vandal resistant fixtures, and that's it.